First job of the day. I'm a putty guy. A little mini lift station for this guy's sink. Moen brand. Hell yeah. I put all this together first. Leave everything else loose. I'm not very good at camera shots yet, as you can see. After I get this all seated, I just spin it right in to the T and go back and tighten everything up. Seems to work good for me this way. To each their own. Whoops. Switch was on. There we go. The fun part. I forgot something. The dishwasher. These Moens don't have a knockout. They have a screw cap. I deleted the screw cap. Tightened the dishwasher discharge hose from the air gap on. And clean up my mess. Fun times.